I go by Vida Designer. I'm a recording artist and the founder of Pedestal. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. Being an artist in 2024 is a shitty business. Music streaming platforms made $16 billion in revenue last year, and yet over 90% of artists can't even earn a living wage. And because of streaming, artists no longer have a compelling product worth selling. Artists have become commodities in a machine that boasts exponential revenues while paying fractions of a penny per stream to artists. The creation of art is being influenced by an algorithm that incentivizes the virality of singles over the cohesiveness and quality of albums. This is highly problematic for our society, and Pedestal is the solution. Follow me. Pedestal is a high-end content distribution platform that allows artists to build community around their work and get compensated for it. Pedestal aims to do this across many other mediums, but right now we're focusing on albums, i.e. complete, coherent, and thematic bodies of work. Pedestal has 4 game-changing features for album releases. The first is the Lux Audio Engine. This is the best way to release and listen to albums. It elevates the listening experience by turning it from a passive to an interactive experience. The Lux Audio Engine features a 4-track stem player, which allows users to mute and solo the bass, melody, vocal, and drum tracks of each song in the album. This adds an exclusive performative quality for the listener, and users can listen to the acapellas, play along to instrumentals, and increase the depth of their immersion and enjoyment. Second, the episodic video player. No longer should recording artists be releasing low-budget music videos. Instead, they should be using Pedestal's episodic video player, where artists can collaborate with comedians, directors, podcasters, and animators to release documentaries, sketch comedy skits, short films, interviews, and visual albums. Third, our built-in social media module. Pedestal features a robust social media network that allows exclusive access to groups based on the album's purchase. So now, the conversation and community are integrated into the sale of an album. Our social media module also doubles as a CRM, which allows artists to communicate directly with their patrons. Users can post text, video, and photos, and they can like, follow, and comment on each other's posts and profiles. We foresee artists being able to build community around their art and leverage their audience for brand partnerships. To tie a bow in the 4 game-changing features of Pedestal, we want to give artists back the power of price and quantities. Artists can choose from a myriad of pricing strategies, which include fixed, pay what you want, and subscription. In addition, artists can also select between infinite or limited stock quantities for sale. Our goal here at Pedestal is to empower artists with the tools that they need to create engaging, creative experiences worthy of community and patronage. Full stop. That's why we're here. If you like what you've seen and heard thus far, this is how you can help. 1. Share this video with all the artists and producers you know. This goes for both the well-established and the artists who are just starting out. 2. Visit pedestal.dev and sign up for our waiting list. The more the merrier. I'll see you in the next one.